Welcome! If you're looking to find only video results on Pinterest, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to filter your Pinterest search and view just the videos you want to see. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you have full access to all the features. Next, look at the bottom of your screen for the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass. Tap on it to open the search page. Now type in the topic or keyword you're interested in. This could be anything from home workouts to recipe ideas or travel inspiration. Once you've entered your search term, you'll see a list of results that include pins, boards, and sometimes even people. Here's where you can narrow it down to just videos. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a filter icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines with dots on them. Tap on this icon to open the filter options. A menu will pop up with different ways to sort and filter your results. Look for the option labeled Videos. Tap on it to select it. This tells Pinterest to show you only video pins related to your search term. After you've selected the video filter, your search results will refresh automatically. Now you'll see only videos, making it much easier to find the content you're looking for without having to scroll past static images or other types of pins. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can quickly filter Pinterest search results to show only videos. This feature is perfect if you prefer visual learning, want to watch tutorials, or just enjoy video content more than images. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and social media tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!